So I ended up what I am going to have to find my night here in Tokyo. It's totally not planned. So I don't see a light here. A switch. That's what I mean. I don't see a switch. Oof. All right. That's it. Good night. So we've survived the night. Not too bad actually. Ended up when you're so tired. 6:46. So it is the same street. Looks so different from day and night, right? Actually, this is my third time being to Tokyo in the last 16 months. Can you believe that? But anyhow, actually the night street scene was my first time. At the train pass. Almost 8 in the morning, and I'm trying to grab some breakfast, and then I'll have a quick half-day tour here in the city before I head back to Narita Airport to catch my 5:50 flight to Sapporo, Hokkaido.トーストセット、ホットコーヒー、ホットケーキも、はい、どうぞ。はい、どうぞ。ありがとうございます。So there aren't that many breakfast spaces open at 8. So this is one of those that is just right around the corner of where I was staying. Let's get back and get ready to check out and spend the rest of the day stranded in Tokyo. Alright, I have put my luggage in the locker at the Keisei Ueno station. So Keisei Ueno is right next to Ueno Park again. The park is free. The zoo, of course, you need admission. So let's have a quick stroll at the Ueno Park. How about that? Oh, so I got a little bit sweaty after a quick stroll at the Ueno Park. I'm wearing a t-shirt here in Tokyo. Tonight I'll be wearing jacket in Sapporo, I'm sure. Right now we are on the Yamanote line, heading to Akihabara. Just two stops. And you see me, I've been using my, if you have iPhone, I have iPhone. You can download the Suica card digitally, and you know it's just so easy. You don't have the physical card. You don't have to have that physical card, and then you can just recharge with some kind of credit card that is tied to your Apple Wallet. So super versatile. Yep. So this is my third time here in Akihabara. It feels like I have to stop by this one and get a little bit something for myself. Really just a small toy and a charging station, like a external battery stuff. Because I just realized I feel like I need a lot more battery than I have, particularly for all the gadgets that I'm carrying. Yep, so I'm gonna just have to just go around a little bit more in Akihabara and then head to a next area along the JR line. Alright, but before I leave, let's check out this one.はい、
小さくしていただいてあげますとより長く楽しむことができます。スタートのお時間入れる。
はい、わかりました。
大丈夫ですか？はい。こちら2名様とカウンター1名様でよろしいですか？はい、どうぞ。
yeah, catch all the main thing in Tokyo. And right now, behind me is Kabukicho Ichiban Machi, the famous street. Okay, so after Akihabara, we stop by the Shibuya, and then now it's Shinjuku, and let's see how many more stops we can catch before it's time to catch my ride train back to the Narita airport. Alright, let's head to the next one. Alright, come all the way here to Ikebukuro because there is a Pikachu Suite by Pikachu Cafe, and ordered this soda along with a sleeve, and it's just soda and there's a chocolate on the top. Anyway, along with that there is a mega Pokemon Center here. I gotta check it out. That's almost the conclusion of my unplanned, unexpected stay in Tokyo for 24 hours. So in this 24 hours we've been to a lot of places. We stayed in Ueno Capsule Hotel right at the Ueno Ameyoko, and then we went to Shibuya, and we also went to Shinjuku, Ikebukuro, and now we're going to go back to Ueno and conclude our day trip in Tokyo. Now I have to say that this day trip is not a typical one. We skipped a lot of the places. Well, you cannot do all the places, first of all, but if you happen to have a layover in Tokyo, or you miss your flight in Tokyo, you gotta stay for another day, then this is a route you may want to consider. Well, that's enough for the talking. I've been lucky. 3 visits to Tokyo in just 16 months. Every time I go, I'm reminded just how special it is. For anyone from North America, a trip to Japan is a big deal. It's no small journey, physically or financially. But once you are there, especially in Tokyo, you realize just how rewarding it all is. Tokyo, the world's biggest city, feels like it has endless experiences to offer. Even after 3 trips, There's always something new waiting around the corner. This last visit wasn't even planned. It was just a happy accident. Really, but somehow in that extra time, I finally got to complete the Tokyo Circle of the Yamanote line. It felt like a little milestone, like a piece of bigger journey. I know I'll be back, hopefully sooner rather than later. For now though, I just feel grateful. Shops are closed, restaurants are closed. You want something other than 7-Eleven. What can you get?